Hey there, this is Derek Murphy of creativity.com. I want to welcome you to this site, which is DIY book covers, and real quick kind of tell you what you'll find on this site. I started it years ago because I wanted to give self-publishing authors a way to design their own book covers with easy to use templates. The problem is if you don't have access to really good quality software, design software like Photoshop, you may not be able to use the same kind of resources that professional designers can use. So this site started off with a package of formats for Microsoft Word so that you can design a book cover template in Microsoft Word, which is a program you probably already have. That works to an extent. It's helped a lot of people. You can sign up and download the sample package to see if that's going to work for you. There's also a bunch of free tutorial videos on this website and more tutorial videos if you sign up. I'll also send you a whole bunch of self-publishing related materials about writing, editing, publishing, and book marketing. I've been doing this for a long time. There's a lot of things that many authors really need to learn if they want to publish successfully. So this is one of the sites that I sponsor to try to put out more quality information to help more indie authors. You can look around on this website. You can sign up if you want to and get that sample package of templates. I also have a 3D book mockup tool that's gotten millions and millions of hits because it's really useful. It's free. I also have a free ISBN barcode generator tool on my book cover design site, which is also pretty awesome. So I've made a lot of things that are useful. I encourage you to kind of poke around. I'm not a coder or a web developer. I'm not really that great at online business. So a lot of my content, even though there's a lot of it, I also have like 3 million views on YouTube because I put a lot of content. It's not very polished or professional, which I know can make it a little bit hard for new people to trust me. But once they've gone through and seen the amount of useful content that I've put out, as well as the amount of quality feedback that I get from people, because my content is really helping people much more than a lot of other people's paid programs. So I hope you'll stick around. I hope you'll sign up and maybe go through some of my emails, which are really useful, but it's really up to you whether you just want to grab the free templates and design a cover, or if you actually want to learn how to write and publish and market books that sell. So I hope I see you on the flip side. I also have a free guerrilla publishing Facebook group you can join if you want to ask any questions, or you can go to creativeindy.com, which is my main online hub for my blog and meandering ramblings and stuff like that. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.